Welcome. This is a quick video to get you started on your Sunday lawn plan.
But first, thank you for being a part of Sunday, and thank you for growing a lawn that's better for people, pets, and planet.
Now let's get growing a beautiful lawn. Before you crack into your box, here's where you can go to learn more. Your My Plan page at getsunny.com shows you what to do and when. The Shed, detailed product guides and tons of videos and articles on everything yard care. And then of course our yard advisors. We have yard pros on staff ready to answer your questions.
The products we're going to talk through today may be a little bit different from what's in your box. That's because every Sunday lawn plan is customized to your yard, and you may have upgraded to include additional products. First things first, every box you get from Sunday is going to have custom instructions made just for your yard. This is going to show you what to do and when. To view your full season, just go to your My Plan page or scan the QR code on the instructions.
No matter what's in your box, your first step is going to be apply fertilizer to your lawn. We do this to jumpstart growth, crowd out weeds, and to grow a thick, healthy lawn.
Now here's some quick tips for applying fertilizer. Now first, if you're a little bit late, that's okay, it happens. You're not gonna hurt your lawn. You just wanna give it about a week between fertilizer applications, but you can catch up. Depending on your lawn size and your preference, you may have liquid or granular fertilizer. The liquid fertilizer is simply hose on, and the dry fertilizer requires a hand or push spreader. When it comes to liquid fertilizer, don't overthink applying it. Just attach a hose, turn it on, and keep moving. You can double back as needed. If your plan includes a kickstart pouch or any additional fertilizer that's not shown on your instructions or in your schedule, these are an extra boost, and it can be applied between your other fertilizer applications. Now that was a real quick overview. We have detailed videos and instructions on every single product and exactly how to use it, so check those out.
Your next step is weed control. You'll notice your My Plan page doesn't have specific dates for weed control because you can use it throughout the season as needed. Here are some quick weed control tips. You can apply weed control the same day you fertilize, but just make sure your liquid fertilizer application is dried. For best results, make sure you really soak the leaves of the weed, apply when there's no rain in the forecast. And a second application within 2 weeks will ensure the weeds don't come back. We have videos with detailed weed control instructions if you'd really like to get into it.
Depending on your region and your grass type, your plan might include grass seed. Now for overseeding and repairing bare spots in your yard, that can be done the same day you fertilize. The fertilizer will not harm the grass seed. So some quick tips for seeding your lawn. Your plan page will include the date for overseeding that's optimized for germinating seeds. Whether you're overseeding or patching a part of your lawn, the most important thing is water. You need to make sure that that grass seed stays moist, and that may require watering 1 to 2 times a day. For detailed instructions to make you a grass seeding pro, check out our videos and articles.
So to review, here's the right sequence for your lawn.
You're going to start with fertilizer, then move on to weed control and grass seed.
If you're running behind in your plan, no big deal. You can catch up on your fertilizer applications. Just make sure you wait a week between applications.
For Sunday pest control products, those can be used anytime your yard is dry.
If you're looking for more info and guidance, we've got it.
We have instructional write-ups and videos for every product on the Shed section of our website. There's also great guides on everything from mowing to watering and everything yard care. And you can always reach out to your lawn advisor with any questions.
You're ready to roll and you've got this. If you hit a snag, we're here to help.
Thank you for being a part of Sunday. Let's yard better.